right, we're at leg 3 on Road to ChannelCon. We're here in Phoenix, Arizona at Grand Canyon University. Let's go inside and check it out.
The technology field is growing, and it's growing very fast. So the way we have developed our programs is that we take a look at what employers are looking for when they're hiring our students. So we get them involved in those specific skills right from day one. So their very first semester, they're involved in classes that help them learn the foundational technology skills.
We like to get the students involved in their field or as close to their field as possible. And with a campus that has 20 to 30,000 students, there are a number of different places where students can get involved.
So the Cyber Center of Excellence is a ethical hacking warfare range where students can participate, students and community can participate in a range of activities in cybersecurity. So we teach ethics first, and then we teach the technology second.
We want to get that 2 to 5 year experiences on every single application. Even though you're going to school, you're ready to graduate, what did you do besides go to class? Well, we spent a good 3 months working on an IDS we developed from open source in a team of 4 or 5 of us. That interview is not going to say, oh, where'd you do this? At your house? No, we did this at the cyber range at a university, GC University, and that's one of the things we really want to bring for all level and basically build cyber warriors out of here, or we call them cyber lopes.
All right, we've had a great time here at Grand Canyon University. That's a lot of great interviews. Hopefully you enjoyed those. I know I sure did. But it's time for us to hit the road again, head up to Albuquerque and see what awaits us. We'll see you there.